Dogs are known for their keen sense of smell, loyalty, and playful personalities. However, have you ever wondered how dogs see the world around them? Understanding a dog's vision can help us better understand their behavior and how they interact with their environment. Unlike humans, dogs do not rely on color vision for their visual perception. Rather, their vision is tailored to detect movement and track sense. Most people know that dogs don't see as well as humans, but there are a lot of misconceptions floating around about the way they see the world. Dogs see the world in fewer hues than we do, but this doesn't mean our canine companions are completely colorblind. But even if dogs' visual worlds are not as clear or as colorful as ours, their ability to see motion is superior. In this video, we will explore how dogs see the world, their unique visual abilities, and how we can train them based on their visual perception. Canine Vision Basics. To understand the canine vision, we must first delve into some biology. A dog's eye is structured similarly to a human's but with key differences. The two main components that play a big role in vision are rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to light and dark, enabling low-light vision, while cones help detect color. Dogs have more rods than humans, which helps them see better in the dark. However, they have fewer cone cells, meaning they see fewer colors. Dogs also have a structure known as the tapetum lucidum that reflects light back through their retina and further enhances night vision. This structure gives dogs' eyes a glow when illuminated in the dark. Which colors can a dog see? These are just a few of the questions we get regularly from curious dog lovers. The answers may surprise you and how you communicate with your dog. Dogs do amazing things every day. In addition to being adorable, they are used around the world as guide dogs, companions, trusted therapy sources, and more. There's one thing these incredible creatures can't do, though: see things the way humans can. Our eyes and the eyes of dogs have cones, which is a name for special cells in the eye that respond to color by catching the light. We have 3 different cones, which is why we see so much in color. Dogs, on the other hand, have 2. Colors that dogs can see include yellow, blue, and gray. Depending on the color of the object, your dog may see it as dark gray, murky yellow, bright yellow, dull blue, or a more deep blue, meaning they do not see as much color or see color as brightly as we do. If you've ever thought, what do dogs see through their eyes, or can dogs see colors? This little fact can seem like fun trivia, but it's actually pretty useful. If you're buying a toy or bed for your dog, it can be helpful to realize they can see blue and yellow, but may see many other colors like gray. Dog night vision. While dogs' night vision is fairly blurry, according to the 2017 study, it is also much more sensitive than humans' night vision. Dogs are crepuscular, meaning they tend to be most active at dawn and twilight, according to the American Kennel Club. While human eyes are chock full of cones, which help detect colors and work best in bright daylight, dogs' eyes contain more of the light-detecting cells known as rods, which distinguish between dark. Dogs are superior to humans when it comes to night vision. A large number of rod cells and the presence of the tapetum lucidum help dogs see better in low-light conditions. This doesn't mean they can see in complete darkness, but they certainly have a nighttime advantage. If you have a dog, keep in mind they see better in the dark. This may mean you don't need to leave extra light for them at night, unless your canine friend is nervous. It can also mean you need to be careful when walking in the dark. Your dog may be able to see you, but you can easily trip over him or her if they don't know to get out of the way. Detection motion. The bond between pet parents and their dogs is a testament to the deep emotional connection that transcends sensory experiences. While dog color vision and their other senses help them navigate the physical world, it's the emotional connection that truly sets our relationships with dogs apart. Our furry friends have an uncanny ability to sense our emotions and respond with empathy and affection. They can detect changes in our tone of voice, body language, and even our scent. This emotional connection is a two-way street, as we too can pick up on their cues and understand their needs and feelings. Dogs are exceptionally good at detecting motion. The evolution of dogs as hunters has equipped them with a keen ability to notice even slight movements. So, if a squirrel darts across your lawn, your dog will likely notice it before you do. How sharp is dog vision? Given the nuances of canine vision, ensuring their living environment, particularly outdoor spaces, is well suited to their visual capabilities is crucial. For dogs with perfect vision, physical fences serve as a clear boundary that they can easily see and recognize. However, these fences might be less effective for dogs with vision issues. Technology has provided an innovative solution to these challenges: virtual or wireless dog fences. These systems use wireless communication and training techniques to keep your dog within a predefined area, usually your yard. How well can dogs see moving objects? Dogs have more rods in the retina than humans do. Rods are sensitive to shape, movement, and dim light. Dogs can see moving objects much better than stationary objects, and they have 10 to 20 times greater motion sensitivity than humans. Dogs can pick up on small changes in body posture and movement as a result. This is one reason why dogs can be trained with silent cues using hand gestures. The power of the nose. A dog's sensory world extends far beyond dog color vision. Perhaps one of their most remarkable senses is their olfactory ability. Their nose is not just an organ for smelling. It's a gateway to a world of scents that we can barely fathom. A dog's sense of smell is estimated to be thousands of times more sensitive than that of humans. They possess up to 300 million scent receptors in their noses, compared to our paltry 5 to 6 million. This extraordinary olfactory prowess allows them to detect scents at incredibly low concentrations, making them exceptional trackers and search and rescue dogs. Furthermore, scent serves as a primary mode of communication among dogs. They can discern a wealth of information about other dogs, animals, and even humans through the scents they leave behind. Depth and distance perception. While dogs are excellent at detecting motion, their depth and distance perception is less precise than that of humans. This is mainly due to their eyes being positioned more toward the sides of their head, leading to a more prominent blind spot directly in front of them. However, by tilting their heads or moving around, dogs can overcome this limitation and judge distances relatively well. Skills evident when catching a frisbee in midair or navigating obstacles while chasing a ball. How dogs see humans. Studies show that dogs aren't wired to focus on a human's face, but they have evolved to pay attention to human faces. Dogs recognize people by their faces alone and can read emotions from our faces. However, our body signals can be more informative for a dog. A dog pays more attention to our body language and voice cues than our faces. Motion sensitivity is a key component of canine vision. Due to their ability to see motion so well, your dog can better recognize you when you perform a particular movement, body posture, or gesture that you often do.